She'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Yellow, orange, pink, blue, purple. Alrighty, and now let's make some shapes. I will create some shapes. First shape, a heart. Okay, let's start making a heart first. I'll be rolling this Play-Doh.
Amazing!
Just like pizza dough, just like that. Let's make a heart, a beautiful heart. First we make this, so it looks like a sausage or a snake. Okay, let's make these snakes or sausages.
Wow!
Here I have one, and let's make a heart. Oh, wow. Oh, such a beautiful heart. Look at this. This is a heart. A pink heart. The next shape, a triangle. Let's make the sausage or the snake, because it can look like a snake too. So I'm rolling the Play-Doh just like that. A beautiful
Amazing!
blue triangle. Look at that. And corners of the triangle. Wow, a blue triangle. Look at that. I love it. Let's move it in here. We have a triangle and a heart. Blue triangle, pink heart. Oh, what else? Shape. I need a shape. A circle. Let's make a circle, but first the snake. A nice purple circle. Oh wow! A nice purple circle. A nice purple circle. A nice purple circle. A nice purple circle. Look, these are circles. Look, 2 circles, 1 circle, 2 circles. All right, let's make the circle. Look at that.
Yes!
Look at that. We have a purple circle. Da-na-na-na-na-na. We have a purple circle. Purple circle. Let's place it in here. And now, orange. I need a shape. Oh, I don't know any other shapes. Do you know? Can you help me? Please tell me a shape. I want to make another shape. I know. A rectangle. The snake.
Wow!
Okay.
Amazing!
Let's make the rectangle. Just a bit more. Now like that. Stick it together. Corners. And I have an orange rectangle. Perfect. Yay! Applause. Now let's move it. Rectangle. And now I don't know any other shapes. Can you help me? I need another shape. What if I will make a star? Let's make a star.
Amazing!
Okay. I need a snake first. I'm a snake. try to make a star. Beautiful. Star. This is a bit complicated, isn't it? Oh no. Come on. Here we have a yellow star. It isn't the prettiest star in the world, but still pretty because I made it and I succeeded. It's a star. Let's move the star in here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. A star, a circle, a rectangle, a heart, and a triangle. Let's say the colors too. Yellow, purple, orange, pink, and blue. Oh wow! And now let's decorate Gigi with all the shapes. Look, now you have earrings, Gigi. Isn't this really, really cool? Look at that. Oh wow, Gigi has earrings. What if I make some glasses? Let's try. I will decorate my glass. Oh no, it's broken. Oh, no. It's broken now. I'll decorate my glasses. What do you think, Gigi? Isn't this fun? Now I don't have a shape anymore. It is a snake again. Oh, we had so much fun today. I hope you had fun too.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.